Hello everyone, this is Ishant here. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about the mutability of a list. It means the changing behavior or the mutable behavior of a list. Clear? So, in this video, we are going to learn about the mutability of a list. That how the list is mutable in nature. So, basically, let's try to understand the bullet points. Lists are mutable. Mutable means the contents, the elements can be updated, can be changed. Okay, so elements of list can be modified after creation. After creation means, suppose that, let's try to understand this concept by creating a list. Say vowel. For vowel I am using the capital V, equals to, say, if I am creating here, say this is the Python interpreter that I am using. So V equals to A E I O and U. Okay, let's try to count how many elements are there. So basically 1 2 3 4 5. Clear? Since we already know that vowels are nothing but the 5 alphabets A, E, I, O, U from the English alphabet. Clear? Suppose that instead of writing, say instead of writing this one, say I am writing here, say F. Clear? Now an updation is required here. Why? Because in vowels F is not exist there. Clear? So how can we update it? How can we change the contents of this list? Suppose that we have created this list. Okay, we have declared with identifier V. Now when we will press enter, the list will be created in the computer memory. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to identify the index position of that particular element whose value is to be changed or modified. In our case, it's the F whose value is to be modified. So let's try to understand the index position of this particular element. When I am looking from the left hand side, okay, the values can be indexed as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, as we have learned in the previous session or previous video. So here what is actually happening, we are actually counting the index values from the left hand side. Since we are counting from the left hand side, we are using the values from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and all that. But in the same way, when we try to access the same values from the right hand side, so as you can remember, it starts from -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Clear? So the values can be updated either by taking the negative values also or by the positive values also. I will be explaining you from the both of the sides. Let's talk from the left hand side. Okay, suppose that if I want to access or if I want to change the value from F to E, I want to update it. Okay, so how I will update? On the console I will write capital V. Clear? Now when I am trying to look from the left hand side, the value of X or the index value of F lies here on the index position 1. So I will write here V of 1, clear, equals to, what I have to replace F, to whom I have to replace E. So I will write here E with the single quotes. Remember, you have to use the single quotes as E belongs to a string value. After that, give a enter. Okay, when you will enter, okay, again then give here print V or simply V. Okay, when you will go to E, you will find that you will write V here, and when you will press, list will be generated in front of you with the value A, E, I, O and U. That is nothing but the vowels inside the list. So what we have done, we have actually updated this value. How? By using the left index value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are using actually 1. So what actually is happening here, this 1 is actually representing the F here. So the E is now replaced by F. So when you will reprint it, you will come to know that the list is now updated to A, E, I, O, U. But let's try to understand the same concept from the different point of view. Suppose that instead of writing 1 here, okay, instead of writing 1 here, if I write -1, -2, -3, -4, okay, if I write here -4 and if I press enter, so again the same thing will be happening here, okay. It means that E will be assigned to -4, and what is -4? That is nothing but 1. Clear? So in this way we can understand the mutability behavior or changeable behavior of a list. It means the contents of the list can be changed or updated after its creation, because here we have created a list, okay, A F I O U. So the list has been created and assigned to the value or variable or identifier, say V, okay. After that, what we have done, we have changed the index value for say we have changed the index, say the data value or element of F to E by using the say the mutable concept here. I hope this concept was clear to you. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please let me know in this comment section below of this video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day ahead. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.